Hey everybody, it's your girl Kiara B from the K Studio, and I'm back with another DIY tutorial. Super easy room decor or makeup vanity holders, whatever you want to use them for, it's completely up to you. I hope you like what I'm about to do, and if you want to see how I cook these bad boys up, then stay tuned. You're going to need 2 glass holders, crystal gem strips, Coco Chanel decals, and some transfer tape, the Con-TACT brand. So I'm actually just going to start off by getting my decals together so they can be transferred by using my Con-TACT tape. I'm going to go out of the frame for a slight second, but all I'm doing is cutting my transfer tape because it was on a big sheet and it's easier to just cut it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and press down, use my scissors and press firmly over so it can easily come off the backing with the tape. And I'm going to begin to size up the glass to see where I want the decal to lay. And I found a spot. So I'm just going to use my scissors and just gently go over it so it can easily just come right on off. Now for the second one, I didn't want to over design, so I kept it really simple with just the Chanel name just going straight across. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer this as well. Press down firmly. And I had a little trouble with getting the C off, but I ended up just focusing and pressing down again, and then it just slid right off. And I'm going to cut the tape, the excess tape off, and put it right over to the side. And then I'm going to cut a little bit more of the excess tape off before I go to transfer. And I'm going to size it up, found my spot, press really firmly. And this actually came off very easy from me pressing really firm. Tape slid right off. Easy as pie. And now I'm going to go ahead and get my adhesive strips, which was the crystal gem strips. I'm just going to go ahead and size those up as well. It does go out of the frame for a quick second, but as soon as it come back in, I'm just going to go right ahead and jump right on into it. And I actually pre-cut both of them so it would be easy to just transfer it onto the second one as well. So I'm going to get that back and right on off of there. Really easy. And I always start from the back so it could just line straight up, right back across the back, and press really firm until it lines up very evenly. And I'm going to do the same thing for the second one. Very firm, make sure it lines up evenly in the back, and press really firm again. There you have it.